Hello everyone. Today we will be going through a short but useful script that will convert sheet name and number values to uppercase. Let's get started. For this example, we will be using Revit 2023. However, it should be pretty similar in earlier Revit versions as well. To start with, I would like to define the final nodes which will be doing the primary changes. In this case, it is sheet.setSheetName and sheet.setSheetNumber. Today's script does not include any additional packages, so everything should be available with the standard node library. Let's switch the mode to manual, so we won't run the script yet. First of all, we need to gather all sheets in the current project. For that, we need two nodes. The first is called categories, so if you right-click on the canvas and type down categories, then select the drop-down and find sheets. Now right-click on the canvas again and type down all elements of the category. Now we need to retrieve the names and numbers of these sheets, which we then be converting to uppercase values. Right-click and type sheet.sheetName and sheet.sheetNumber. Now let's press run and test our values. As you can see, names and numbers are written in the correct order. Let's combine them with list.create. Click little plus so we can connect names and numbers. Now search for string.changeCase. Then connect list.create with string field in string.changeCase. Now search for boolean, switch it to true and connect to the upper field. Now we need to pass the updated names and numbers to our final nodes, which would change these parameters. To do that, we can use list.getItemAtIndex to split the values from our string.changeCase node. However, I find it too long, as we need to have two of them. So instead, let's use a quick code block. To create a new code block, double-click on the canvas. Now type down x square bracket 0 semicolon and x square brackets 1 semicolon. Don't worry if it looks too confusing. This is just a simplified version of getItemAtIndex node. It doesn't have to be x, you can use any value. What's important is the number in the square bracket, as it defines the list with values that will be passed further. As you can see, the list 0 is all updated names and list 1 is all updated numbers. Now the final bit. Connect the list 0 with the sheet name and list 1 with sheet number, then go all the way to the beginning to the all elements of the category node and connect it to both sheet.setSheetName and sheet.setSheetNumber nodes. All done. Now if we look into our Revit project, we can see some standard sheets. Once we press run, it immediately changed all values to uppercase. It is difficult to trace on the numbers since they were all uppercase from the beginning, so let's make them more clear. In the boolean value connected to string.changeCase node, change the value to false and it will make all values to lowercase now. And if we put it back to true, you can see both numbers and names are uppercase. I hope you like this video and see you next time. Thank you.